Hi guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple and easy M&M nail art. This design is so cute and super easy to create. Start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails. Next, take out some polishes that match up with the M&M colors such as green, pink and red to take out of those colors and create a circle on the top of your nail. Take your time while doing this. Create a rough circle first and then go over it. Shape it a couple times to perfect it. Now create a white M in the middle of your circle. Again, you can create a rough version first and then go over it to correct and perfect it. Finally, add a top coat to provide some shine and protect your design. And that's it. Easy, wasn't it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are new to my channel, that hit the subscribe button for new videos. What your favorite type of candy is? I love reading what you guys have to say. See you next time.